The next problem is prove that tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18 is equal to cot inverse of 3. For that, first to consider these two, solve these two, then solve these two again. Okay. That is tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. That is LHS is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 7 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. First consider these two, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y, that is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 8 plus tan inverse of 18, write as it is. This is equal to tan inverse of 7 into 8, upper side is 8 plus 7 divided by 7, 8 is 56 minus 1 1 is 1 divided by 7 into 8 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. This is equal to 7 into 8, 7 into 8 get cancelled. Tan inverse of 8 plus 7 is 15 divided by 56 minus 1 is 55 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. Both are divisible by 5, that is tan inverse of 3 by 11 plus tan inverse of 1 by 18. Here again use the formula of tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. This is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 11 plus 1 by 18 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 11 into 1 by 18. This is equal to tan inverse of multiplication is 198, numerator is 54 plus 11 ones are 11. Denominator is 198, numerator is 198 minus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of 198 get cancelled. 190 sorry, here 3 by 11, no, this is 3 by 11, 3 ones are 3, this is a 195, this is a 65 ones are 65, 3 is that is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 3. We know that tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse of x, that is 3, that is equal to RHS. Understood? Here 3 numbers are given, that is tan inverse of x, tan inverse of y, tan inverse of some z. First solve these two, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y by using the formula. Next again use the same formula for tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. For last term you will get tan inverse of 1 by 3. We know that tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse of x. Here x is 3, therefore cot inverse of 3, this is equal to RHS. In last problem they given a 3 set, here they given a 4 set, that is tan inverse of 5, tan inverse of 1 by 7, that is tan inverse of 1 by 5, tan inverse of 1 by 8, this is equal to 1 by 8 you have to prove. Okay. Let us take these two one set and these two one set, that is a tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y, that is equal to tan inverse of 1 by 5, this is LHS, you have to do LHS equal to RHS, 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7 divided by 1 minus 1 by 5 into 1 by 7 plus again tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus 1 by 8 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 into 1 by 8. This is equal to tan inverse of 35, 7 plus 5 divided by 35, 35 minus 1 ones are 1 plus tan inverse of 24, 8 plus 3 divided by 24, this 24 minus 1 ones are 1. This is equal to tan inverse of 12 divided by 35, 35 get cancelled, 34 minus plus tan inverse of 11, 24, 24 cancel, 23. This is divisible by 2 both, 2 6 2 1 2 17. This is equal to tan inverse of 6 by 17 plus tan inverse of 11 divided by 23. Again use the same formula, tan inverse of plus x plus tan inverse of y, that is equal to tan inverse of 6 by 17 plus 11 by 23 whole divided by 1 minus 6 by 17 into 11 divided by 23. This is equal to tan inverse of, the common denominator is 391 will come. This is multiplication of these two, 391. This is becomes 138 plus 187 whole divided by, this is a 391 minus 66. This is equal to tan inverse of, this and this get cancelled, this is 325 divided by 325. This is again get cancelled, that is tan inverse of 1. We know the tan inverse of 1 value, that is pi by 4. This is equal to RHS. Understood? I will explain once again. This is a tan inverse of 1 by 5 plus tan inverse of 1 by 7, tan inverse of 1 by 3 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. You have to prove this is equal to 5 by 4. Consider first these two and these two, that is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula. Here also tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula. On solving these two, you will get a 2 set again. This is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Again use the same formula. Solve this, you will get tan inverse of 1, that is a pi by 4. That is tan 45 is equal to 1. This is the RHS. Next problem is tan inverse of 6x minus 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12x square minus tan inverse of 4x divided by 1 minus 4x square is equal to tan inverse of 2x. It looks a little tricky, but it is one easiest for problem, because see here all are multiple of 2. Correct? Here all are multiple of 2. First solve this one, that is tan inverse of 6x can be written as 3 times of 2x and 8x cube can be written as 2x whole cube. 2 cube is 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12 can be written as 3 times of 2x square. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12 minus tan inverse of 2 times of 2x divided by 1 minus 2x whole square. Understood? In this problem, take 2x equal to, now take 2x equal to tan theta, because you have to prove tan inverse of 2x. No, that implies theta equal to tan inverse of 2x. Okay. Here wherever 2x is there, substitute tan theta. That implies the tan inverse of 3 times of tan theta minus 2x is tan theta cube, cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 times of tan theta square minus tan inverse of 2 times of tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Correct? Now we know that this is the formula of tan 3 theta and this is the formula of tan 2 theta. This implies tan inverse of tan 3 theta minus tan inverse of tan 2 theta. We know that tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. That means this becomes 3 theta minus this becomes 2 theta. 3 theta minus 2 theta is theta. What is our theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse of 2x. Correct? This is our RHS. Once again see this problem, tan inverse of 6x minus 8x cube divided by 1 minus 12x square minus tan inverse of 4x divided by 1 minus 4x square. Write all these x and its coefficient in the form of 2. Okay, that is tan inverse of 3 times of 2x minus 2x whole cube divided by 1 minus 3 times of 2x whole square minus tan inverse of 2 times of 2x divided by 1 minus 2x square. Next, take 2x is equals to tan theta, that implies theta is equals to tan inverse of 2x. Substitute that tan theta in this problem, you will get this one is a formula of tan 3 theta and this one is a formula of tan 2 theta. Tan inverse of tan theta, you know, that is theta, that is 3 theta minus 2 theta equal to theta, that is theta value is tan inverse of 2x, hence the proof. Next one is show that tan inverse of x plus 1 plus tan inverse of x minus 1 is equal to tan inverse of 8 by 31. You have to use the formula tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y only when x into y is equal to x into y, that is less than 1. Let us assume that x into y less than 1, that is x plus 1 into x minus 1 is less than 1, that is x square minus 1 is less than 1, that is x square is less than 2. We are assuming this one. Okay, now let us use the formula, that is LHS is equal to tan inverse of x plus 1 plus tan inverse of x minus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of plus is here, therefore x plus 1 plus x minus 1 divided by 1 minus x plus 1 into x minus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of 1 get cancelled. This is a 2x divided by 1 minus x square minus 1 square. This is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by plus, that is 2 minus x square. This is equal to tan inverse of 8 by 31. Sorry, I wrote a wrong question wrong. This is given, you have to find x. Okay, find x, you have to find the value of x. This is given, take a tan on both sides, therefore tan inverse get cancelled, that implies 2x divided by 2 minus x square is equal to 8 by 31. Solve this, you will get a quadratic equation, that is 4x square plus 31x minus 8 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation solve, you know, that is a discriminant method, that is minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. By using that formula, you solve this. This is you will get a 4x minus 1 into x plus 8. This is equal to 0. Two terms are variable, either this one is 0 or this one is 0. From this one is 0, you will get x is equals to 1 by 4, or if it is 0, then x is equals to minus 8. But we taken that x square is less than 2. If x is value is 1 by 4, then obviously it is less than 2. If x value is minus 8, that is minus 8 square is 64. 64 doesn't less than 2. Therefore, it is not possible. This is not possible. Therefore, our x value is x equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Understood? It is given that if tan inverse of x plus 1 plus tan inverse of x minus 1 is equals to tan inverse of 8 by 31, find the value of x. This is tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y formula possible only when x into y is less than 1, but I am taking the condition here. Next, to use the formula, you will get a quadratic equation. Then solve this one. Okay, there is a tan x is equals to 1 by 4 or x is equals to minus 8. This value is not possible because x square is strictly less than 2. Therefore, x equal to 1 by 4 is the answer. Next problem is prove that cot inverse of this one plus cot inverse of this one plus cot inverse of this one is equals to 0. We know that cot inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. Correct? Cot inverse of x equal to tan inverse of 1 by x. Write all in the form of tan, that is tan inverse of 1 by x means ulta of this one, numerator and denominator gets exchange, that is 1 plus xy plus tan inverse of this is again y minus z divided by 1 plus yz plus tan inverse of z minus x divided by 1 plus zx. See this one, this is the form of tan inverse of x minus y divided by 1 plus xy, that is tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. This is in the form of tan inverse of y minus tan inverse of z. Tan inverse of y minus tan inverse of z plus tan inverse of z minus tan inverse of x. Okay, tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of x cancel, tan inverse of z minus get cancel, this and this get cancel, answer is 0. The next problem is prove that tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x equal to pi by 4 minus half into cos inverse of x. To prove this, first take LHS, that is LHS equal to tan inverse of square root of 1 plus x minus square root of 1 minus x divided by square root of 1 plus x plus square root of 1 minus x. Put x equal to cos theta. You have to prove here cos inverse. No, that's why. Cos inverse of x is equal to theta. Substitute here, that is tan inverse of square root of 1 plus cos theta minus square root of 1 minus cos theta divided by square root of 1 plus cos theta plus square root of 1 minus cos theta. That is tan inverse of 1 plus cos theta can be written as square root of 2 times of cos square theta by 2 minus square root of 2 times of sin square theta by 2 square root of 2 cos square theta by 2 plus square root of 2 sin square theta by 2. This is equal to tan inverse of root 2 into cos theta by 2 minus root 2 into sin theta by 2 divided by root 2 into cos theta by 2 plus root 2 into sin theta by 2, because root and square get cancelled. What is common? Root 2, root 2, root 2, root 2 common, that get cancelled. That implies tan inverse of cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2. It is left tan inverse of cos theta by 2 1 minus tan theta by 2 divided by 1 plus tan theta by 2. We know that this is the formula of tan inverse of tan of pi by 4 minus theta by 2. Tan inverse of tan of this one means pi by 4 minus theta by 2. But what is our theta? Pi by 4 minus half into what is our theta? Cos inverse of x. This is a RHS. Understood? Take LHS. LHS equal to this one. Put x is equals to cos theta. That implies cos inverse of x is equals to theta. Substitute this. You get after solving you will get a RHS. Next, if tan inverse of x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to 5 by 4, then find the value of x. See this one, this is in the form of tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. Use the formula, that is tan inverse of x plus y, that is x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 plus x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. You have to solve it for x. That implies tan inverse of x plus 1 x minus 1 into x plus 2 plus x plus 1 into x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2 x minus 2 into x plus 2 whole divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 x minus 1 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 whole divided by x minus 2 into x plus 2. X plus 2 x minus 2 x plus 2 get cancelled. It's equal to pi by 4 as it is. Simplest tan inverse of, multiply here, x into x square minus x plus 2x minus 2 plus x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 whole divided by x. This is x minus 2, correct? This is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, that is x square minus 4 minus x square minus 1. This is equal to pi by 4. I will write here. Okay. Pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse of plus 2x minus 2x get cancelled, minus x plus x get cancelled, tan inverse of x square 2x square minus 2 to 4 divided by x square minus x square get cancelled, minus 4 plus 1 is a minus 3. Tan comes to this side, tan of pi by 4 is equal to 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3. Tan of pi by 4 is 1 is equal to 2x square minus 4 divided by minus 3. This implies minus 3 comes to this side. There is a minus 3 is equal to 2x square minus 4. Again minus 4 comes to this side. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 is equal to 2x square. That implies x square equal to 1 by 2. X square equal to 1 by 2 implies x equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. This is the answer. X equal to plus or minus 1 by root 2. The next one is find the value of x if this is given. See here, this and this looks like same and this looks like same. Therefore, bring all the similar thing to one side. That is the tan inverse of x minus 1 plus tan inverse of x plus 1. This is one side. It is equal to tan inverse of 3x minus tan inverse of x. This is another side. Okay. This is in the form of tan inverse of x plus tan inverse of y. This is implies tan inverse of x minus 1 plus x plus 1 divided by 1 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of x minus y, that is 3x minus x divided by 1 plus 3x into x. This implies tan inverse of 1 and 1 get cancelled. This is 2x divided by 1 minus x square minus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus 3x square. This implies tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square minus into minus plus 1. This is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus 3x square. Apply tan on both sides. Don't get cancelled because here we are applying tan on both sides. Okay, leave tan and write. That is 2x divided by 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus x square is equal to 2x divided by 1 plus 3x. Here don't cancel x because x is not equal to 0. Therefore cancel only 2 and 2. Now multiply cross multiplication. On cross multiplication you will get x into 1 plus 3x is equal to x into 2 minus x square. That implies x plus 3x square is equal to 2x minus x cube. Bring all this to this side. That is x cube plus 3x square sorry, this is 3x square, therefore this is 3x square. Here also 3x square. X into x x into 3x square is 3x cube. X into 2x is 2x. 2 into 2x x into x cube. X cube comes to this side. This becomes plus 3x cube plus 1x cube is equal to 4x cube. X minus 2x is equal to minus x. This implies x is common. 4x square minus 1 is equal to 0. That implies either x equal to 0 or 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. That implies 4x square equal to 1, x equal to 1 by 2. This is 1 plus or minus 1 by 2. Therefore, value of x is either 0 or plus or minus 1 by 2. Next 16th one, this is homework. Find x tan inverse of x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. plus tan inverse of x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 is equals to pi by 4. This is similar to problem 13. Okay. The next problem is find the value of x. Cos of tan inverse of x is equal to sin of cot inverse of 3 by 4. Here cos, here tan. First this convert into some theta. Okay. Take tan inverse of x is equals to theta. Tan inverse of x is equal to theta. Put. That implies tan theta is equal to x. That is x by 1 also. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore, this is square root of x square plus 1 square. Understood? Next, take cot inverse of, put cot inverse of 3 by 4 is equal to 5. Cot 5 is equal to 3 by 4. Again same, this is a 3, 4, 5. Understood? Substitute here, that implies cos of tan inverse of x is theta is equal to cot inverse of this is 5, that is sin 5. By using this diagram, find cos theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 1 by square root of x square plus 1. Sin theta is equals to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. Cross multiply this one, that is 5 by 4 is equal to square root of x square plus 1. This implies square on both sides. This is 25 by 16 is equal to x square plus 1. Plus 1 comes to this side, that is x square equal to 25 by 16 minus 1. This implies x square is equal to 16 here, that is 9 by 16. That implies x equal to square root of 9 is plus or minus 3 divided by 4. Understood? Find the value of x. Here one is cos, another one is a tan. If both are different function, you have to use this method only. Here sin, here cot. Take tan inverse of x equal to theta. Solve the diagram. Cos theta is equal to this one, and here also to solve by diagram. Solve for x. Next problem is find the value of x if 2 times of tan inverse of cos x equal to tan inverse of 2 times of cosecant x. We know the formula of 2 times of tan inverse of x, that is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. 2 times of tan inverse of x is equal to tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Here in terms of x, cos x is there, therefore tan inverse of 2 times of cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosecant x. Tan inverse, taking both side tan, this will get cancelled, that is 2 cos x divided by 1 minus cos square x is equal to 2 cosecant x. 1 minus cos square is sin square x, that is 2 cos x divided by sin square x is equal to 2 divided by cosecant means 1 by sin x. 1 sin get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, cos by sin is tan x is equal to 1. Tan x is equal to 1, then x equal to tan inverse of 1. Tan inverse of 1 value is pi by 4. Understood? Here 2 into tan inverse of cos x, you know the formula of 2 times of tan inverse of x, that is tan inverse of 2x divided by 1 minus x square. Here x is equal to cos x. Use that formula. This after that simplify. Next is solve for x. That is tan inverse of 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x equal to half into tan inverse of x. One side half is there, bring this 2 to this side, this will becomes 2 times of tan inverse of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. is equal to tan inverse of x. Again this is in the form of 2 into tan inverse of x. Again same formula, that becomes a tan inverse of 2 times of our x is 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole square. This is equal to tan inverse of x. Tan inverse on both sides get cancelled. By taking tan on both sides, this is becomes 2 times of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x whole square. This is also 1 plus x whole square. 1 plus x whole square minus 1 minus x whole square divided by 1 plus x whole square. This is equal to x. You have to solve this. Okay. This becomes 2 times of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x whole divided by 1 plus x whole square formula, that is 1 plus x square plus 2x minus 1 minus x whole square, that is 1 minus 2x plus x square divided by 1 plus x square as it is. This is equal to x. Okay. You know that a by b whole divided by b c by d is equals to a into d by b into c. That is 2 times of 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Here see x square get cancelled. 1 and 1 get cancelled. 2x plus minus into minus plus. 2x into 2x is 4x divided by 4x. 1 plus x square goes upper. Here 1 plus x is 1x and here 1 get cancelled. This is equal to x. 2 1s are 2 2s. This is equal to 1 minus x divided by 2x is equal to x. Sorry, 1 plus x is there, no? 1 minus x into 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus x square is equal to 2x square. 2x square goes to that side. 1 is equal to 3x square. That implies x square is equal to 1 by 3. Implies x is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 by 3. This is the answer.